Facebook introduced a new safety feature known as Facebook Profile Lock. The feature is really helpful for those who want to completely lock their profile from strangers or stalkers. This feature is not available everywhere right now. You can only lock your Facebook profile in certain countries. However, in this video I will show you the easy way to lock your Facebook profile on your Android phone. When you lock your profile, only friends will see the photos and posts on your timeline. Only friends can see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. Any posts you've shared in the past to public will change to friends. Only a portion of your about info will be visible to everyone on your profile. Firstly, go to Google Play Store. Download and install Facebook Lite on your Android or other phone. Open your Facebook Lite and log in to your Facebook profile. After opening your Facebook profile, go to Account Settings. Click on Settings and then click Translation for posts. You will see the following interface. Then choose the language. Scroll down till bottom on almost 7-number language. From bottom you want to click on it. Your account language will be changed. Go back to your main profile. Click on 3 dot and you will see the following interface. Click 1/5 number, then new confirmation window will be opened. In the confirmation window click and confirm now. Now successfully you have locked your Facebook profile. After locked your Facebook profile, now you can safely change your default language English and any others do you want to use. Open your Facebook application. Just refresh the application and you will see the lock feature. To unlock Facebook profile, simply click on 3 dot button. You will see the Unlock Facebook Profile bottom. Now you can safely remove your Facebook profile lock. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends.